Dr. Laina, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about hanging. So excuse our area, our hanging bar happens to be in Dr. Neely's music area. So excuse the drums and the amps all around me. As many of you know, I have a scoliosis. And so this is one of my absolute favorite exercises for anyone with a scoliosis. But even if you just lack shoulder mobility or you get tight around your rib cage, this is an incredible, simple way to help gravity release that. So all that you need is a bar. So we have a pretty fancy hanging bar here, but you could use the top of a door, you can use a door frame, anything that you can hang on. It can even be on an angle. What you're really doing is just letting your body let go and create traction. So you can do this in many different ways. You can have your hands face this way, or you can have your hands face this way, or you can have your hands face this way. So none of them are right or wrong. They're all going to create a different stretch. Most people aren't strong enough to lift their feet off from the ground when they're hanging. So, I mean, I could actually reach the ground here. I'm not sure if you can see that in the video, but I can reach the ground here. But if you can't, just get yourself a box or a stool to stand on when you're doing your hanging. Or if you can reach the ground, just keep your toes on the ground when you first start. So all that I'm going to have you do, and I'm going to do one where my hands are facing forward. So I'm going to turn sideways. And all that I'm going to do is grab my hands, grab the bar about shoulder width apart, and I'm just going to let my body fall. So I'm not letting my shoulders scrunch up. I'm trying to keep the area between my shoulders and my ears as long as possible. So all that I'm going to do is I'm just going to let gravity set in. You'll feel this in any of the tight spots along your arms, your shoulders, your rib cage. When you're strong enough, you're going to take your feet off the floor so that you're hanging. But again, when you first start, feel free to keep your toes on the ground. And all you do is breathe for about 30 seconds and then relax. Super simple exercise. If your toes can touch the ground, another really nice way to hang is like this. Just letting the areas let go. And then of course, especially I would take my hands a little bit wider and you can hang forwards, just to let your chest let go that way. So try hanging every day, even just in the straight up and down position. All of our patients report that it's made a huge change to them. You don't really need a lot of fancy equipment. Anything you can grab on will work. So if you'd like any other information, please check out our website or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.